Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2013 Mazda 3 BL Neo hatch, stock reference number 4514. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. Left front is a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear non-park sensor type bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right rear tailgate garnish. Right rear tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has a light fold on the front edge. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.